Okay, so I've made a discovery about this cat canvas. Okay, so the one they sent me originally was for round drills, but they sent me square drills. Okay, um, this is the cat on the bookshelf, right? So I made a discovery while taking inventory and checking both kits that they sent. So it's a good thing that they sent me a whole new kit because there's 34 colors in the original one they sent me for the round drills. This was a round canvas, but they sent me square drills. Turns out the new canvas for square drills has 40 colors instead of 34. Okay, so things are way different, and the symbols are even different. So this is turning out to be pretty complicated. um, I'm obviously not going to get to start this today, so I'm going to go ahead and start my cat, my quilt cat, and deal with this because I can't stand here any longer. This is taking way too long for my poor back and my legs. So yeah, I'm documenting this as I go along, and I'll eventually edit it together, I suppose. But yeah, so the square drill canvas is different. It has 40 colors. The round drill canvas has 34 colors. So yeah, things are different. Okay, so yeah. Okay, just wanted to get that on record. Okay, later.